Hello everyone, I'm recording this video to show you how to fix the issues with apertures in your model. There are usually two types of errors that can happen. First of all, you can figure out these issues by using the command po validate model. In this case, it tells me there are two invalid subfaces. I can click on the error. I can see the longer here that it says is not coplanar or fully bounded by the parent. I can click on show to see what's the problem. You can see the problem is this one is not really, if you see from top, there's a distance. It's not located on the face. The other one, if I click show, it shows me here the problem is this one is like outside the face. So if I hide this, you will see that there's one face here, another one here, and this one is outside. So what can you do for fixing them? Also, like before that, you can click always on more info and gives you like a full information about the error and how to fix them. But here, if I want to help you quickly to fix them, for the case that the aperture is out of the base or it's not non-planar, you have those issues, you use the command po project child to host. It says select the room, and then it just fixes it for you. So it just automatically now fixed this, found it and put it back. So if I run the po validate command again, you'll see that that shouldn't be a problem anymore. I only have one more left. For the other one here that is outside the face, the command that you need to use is po offset child objects. So it says select the room. I select the room. It tells me what's the offset distance. It means like what is the offset distance that you want it to have from the edge. The offset distance, it is in meters, so I put 0.1 is good. It's 10 centimeter. So I press OK, and you see it just fixed that right away. Okay, that was it. I hope that this was helpful, and let us know if you have any questions on the pollination discourse. Thanks for watching.